Smileyshivithakur and I am Shweta. So today I am going to share with you an amazing remedy to get a brighter, tighten and spotless skin in just 1 rupee. So let's check it out. Before I start this video, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press bell button for my new updates. So let's get started.
Here I am using brew instant coffee powder. It's just only 1 rupee. You can purchase from anywhere. ये आपको किसी भी शॉप से easily मिल जाएगा, तो you can purchase from there. I am using 1 tablespoon coffee powder. Coffee is an excellent exfoliator and helps in stimulating blood flow, which reduce acne and stretch marks. It removes even dark spots and makes your skin tighten and younger. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon raw milk. Raw milk works as natural cleanser. It removes tan. It makes your skin glowing too. Now mix it well. This face mask makes your skin smoother, brighter and glowing.
Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure, but you know I'm not the same.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.